Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to manage multiple loans in Bright. If you're juggling more than one loan, Bright makes it easy to manage everything in one place. First, open the Bright app and log into your account, and then from the main dashboard tap on the loans section. Here you're going to see a list of all of your active loans that's linked to Bright. This includes personal loans, student loans, or any refinancing plans. Tap on any individual loans to view its details. You're going to see outstanding balance, interest rates, repayment schedule, and due dates. To manage repayments of each loan, you can set up individual auto pay schedules by tapping Set Auto Pay under each loan. If you want to pay off a loan much faster than normal, then tap Make Extra Payments on the loans page, and then you can impute the amount. If you'd like to prioritize one loan over another, Bright lets you to adjust your repayment priority settings on the loan preferences. For a big picture view, scroll to the bottom of the loan tab to see a consolidated summary including total debts and combined monthly payments. All updates, payment confirmations, and loan status changes are reflected in real time. And just like that, you're staying in control of multiple loans with ease. If this helps simplify your finances, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.